Now that we've experimented with UCS Manager, let's explore another data center management solution called Intersight. Intersight is a cloud-based software-as-a-service offering for Cisco UCS management and specifically manages UCS Manager instances. These UCS managers are claimed by Intersight, allowing them to fall under Intersight's control. In this way, it's a manager of managers inside of a larger data center management system. Intersight is designed to centrally manage multiple data centers or geographic regions. Like Meraki and Amazon's Elastic Kubernetes Service, two other popular SaaS offerings we've explored so far, Intersight comes with built-in high availability and unlimited scale. Intersight can also leverage information from other customers. For example, if another company uses Intersight and their data center crashes due to a bug, Intersight can notify all other tenants, such as GlobalMantic. Sometimes it can even take proactive action to remediate these faults. At the time of this recording, Cisco UCS is about 10 years old, which explains the relatively weak API, although the hardware has steadily improved over time. Intersight's API is REST-based and is generally easier to use. In the upcoming demo, we'll use the API to gather network information from multiple UCS managers. Let's touch on authentication before moving on. API authentication for Intersight is relatively complex and deserves its own slide. Rather than using username-password pairs, authorization tokens, or traditional API keys, Intersight recycles the term API keys in the context of cryptographic keys. From the Intersight web UI, an administrator will generate an ordinary RSA private key and give it a string identifier. The user must download the private key and keep it safe. To interact with the API, the user feeds in the key plus the identifier when sending HTTP requests to Intersight. This signs each request with a digital signature, which isn't something the request library can do on its own. We'll integrate a special Intersight authentication plugin with requests. Once the request is signed, it can be sent to Intersight for processing. I'll explain how this works in the next clip.